The migration patterns are broken. I don't understand.
This is not a drill. Just to be clear, I never signed up for this.
It's okay. You're safe. They're on the other side. No! They can just jump across! We're trapped! What do we do?
The elephants will fight with us.
And why would they do that?
Because I'm going to ask them. Got a better idea?
Yes, Mr. Ask Questions First. Get ready to run.
Where is she going?
Hello? Listen to me, please. We need your help. Can you talk with me? We need your help. Please.
They're coming!
Robbie! Robbie, wait! Robbie, what? Robbie, wait! Wait, where's...